Eye n'Ensoko TV, oboroso bw'umugusi. Wancho muligereri rero ni chitariki 15 nemo chitebutinyuka biro mwaka bw'ikirubere 2025 nemo ene mesa ya maya y'Ensoko TV cyaragire cinsa isano na ibiro mubasobono litukubanyinga nara lyagendete ko korekana kurwase cinsemo unabasaki baito bagendete ko yabwati nako yakiga igegati yabo no muskeri gate gachawa rero aigara sumucho yo Nairobi kikia morenta no kogenda service yemo kuchikora mutinelyo monne kurende tamonyoreti mwancho muligereri negati ya litubwata sumu basobono ngo kwaligani ilyo nyarako bakoba amona intwe ilitaliane Innocent Onyango. Murai wikiama gia DCP umuskeri Rigathi Gachagua umuske Eugene Wamalwa wikiama kia DAP Kenya na boigo Kalonzo Musyoka wikiama gia Wiper Patriotic Front nigo baikema mbia ya lero service y'umuteneri w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja eligo ikia okwe murungani kwabo igoro y'obusagani bwabere bogo korekana sechinsemo chechi kanisa babere bakogenda nemesangirekano yabo ya gisiasa kurende mamincha yaye gose yabo nigo batamonyora umuteneri yo service yo egento kyarorekana ko bagecho mwancho muligereri na namona asibanyara ko bakurwa chinkwa na chokwe murungani.
The party leader went to Nyandarua, and as he was crossing into Naivasha to hold a rally at a place called Kinamba, again the police were used to erect roadblocks to block him from crossing from Nyandarua.
He is the one who gave the appointment, and shortly before we arrived he took off to avoid this meeting and purported to delegate a junior officer to talk to us, and we have declined. The magnitude of this matter, the attack on the places of worship, is an act of terror. We cannot discuss with any other officer other than the AG himself, because he bears the greatest responsibility over security in our country. This meeting was scheduled by him. He did not even have the courtesy to tell us he will not be there, but he was instructed to take off shortly before we arrived. We have information from inside the police service that these investigations are complete. The 12 police officers who attacked us have been identified. They have been positively been located, that they are the ones who are in Witima. They have been located at the house of the local member of parliament where they took lunch after the attack. We also have information that the police actually want to prosecute these people, but William Ruto and Kipchumba Murkomen are insisting on a cover-up, that these people should not face the law.
This matter beyond our borders, because as Mheshimiwa Eugene has said, these are matters to do with human rights, and human rights are universal. The International Criminal Court is still in place.
Tokagenda busiwa barayibechi kanisa basabira abana siasa kobeko mulembe chingaki ensege ndete kweliga busiwa bocholi bwo mwaka w'ikirubere 2025 na ibere korengana no mwesikobi bwe kanisa yegi Anglikana Jackson Ole Sapit abarayibage siasa nigo babwenete korokia obwanchani na kobeka omulembe no bolemereria chingaki echi chilibere ya kisiasa asensemo yaye mwesikobi Anthony Muheria bwe kanisa yege Katoliki ya Catholic ose kanisa ya Catholic mwanchu mulili kurwa sensemo ya Nyeri nigasabira abana siasa batige gutumika enchira gosomura kera n'enchara munenchira yamo yo gukora siasa yabo.
With all of us, and especially the politicians, now let us tone down divisive politics. Let us speak in love. Let us be truthful to our people and make sure that we serve the purpose which God has given us as leaders. Where they are now dismantling old vehicles and building new ones. And that's what happened to Kenya. You hardly get a formation that takes us through 2 elections. We dismantle, build again, alliances are broken, MOUs are broken, and they are built again.
We must not use them as our means of gaining popularity. We must not weaponize drought.
Mwanchumulili tokanda sorobotirondo somonogeli we bunge neno musike Moses Masika Wetangula nigo aruro gosemia gochia asaba Kenya
una demokrasia nigo eganiri kubwatania abakenya talikolenta okubagekana elio kone kibuna ebisaku bionsi meyense konyara kaba bire kubwatani gwasobwamo na komenya asomolembe na nigo boigo ayakwanire asatebirenga eserikali igendete kurigiringa imiroberi yaye ngoikiranire na asenkwana yaye chingakia aikirana somoye gabwo kwana nebiegwa gochia ase skuru ya secondary abaisike ya pate yotoka se county ya Lamu nigo musikoyu anyara kobaga gotogyo moroberi ONCCDF asatebire nigo konyire kolenta magendro ase chinsemo au chiebunge imeyense ya Kenya.
Naona hii shule imejengwa na CDF na Mama Roida, hii ndio huwa nawaambia bunge lazima tu protect NGCDF, na tunaunga mkono uamuzi wa koti ya upeo kwa kusema ya kwamba CDF is not in competition with the national government or with county governments. It is protected money from the national government kusaidia mashinani. Na mimi kama spika wenu taendelea kuwaunga mkono kwa sababu bila CDF mungengojea mpaka mtu moja kule Nairobi afikirie ndiye akuja ajenge jengo kama hili. Lakini CDF tukiweka, tunaajia mama kama mbunge wenu na nyinyi wenyewe kuamua ni nini mnataka kujenga. Kuhakikisha CDF uchumi ikikua, CDF pia inapanda, ili tuje tutengeneze classrooms kama haya. Lazima tuketi, inaitwa negotiated democracy, ambayo mnasema sisi kama indigenous wenyewe tutashikilia hii, alafu wengine wakichukua ile viti ingine. Lakini mkichukua kila kitu, democracy can also create problems. Ama sivyo wazee? Yeah. Sio mambo tu ya wengi wape, wachache waheshimike, tugawane, tukae pamoja.
Onchumurigiria serikali ya senchire ya muyo kubwatirana ne kampani y'abantu bene nigo bono yari mirego itani chieka kiri bubere cy'umugondo eligo kinya lige salie ndagera eyo era konye gosera besira yo gukora umucando gw'incara meyense asense meli ya galana kulalu mobisote netense meyo otebira baliki unani go barachi kolema go itani chieka kiri busano wikomutienyi ogatano bo mwaka oyo.
Sasa mavuno na kupanda viendelea pamoja. Cumulatively tumelima zaidi ya ekari 2,000 kwa sasa, na we are still in the process, ama tuko katika ile safari ya kuhakikisha kwamba itakapofika mwezi wa 5 katikati yule private investor, because these are public private partnership kati ya serikali ya Kenya na proponent, atakuwa amelima ekari zaidi ya 5,400.
In future, we are looking at addressing the issue of food security in a big way, because currently the country is importing over $4 billion worth of food. So with the implementation of this project alone, we can be sure that we'll have addressed 50% of that, and that's how we'll make our country food secure.
Mushubuliri takwanda busio abarai balia bekiombe gose abarai bekiombe kelige kurwane robo ene bwaborokia bechi school chia secondary inse kiombe gya Kupet urosagirwa Bungoma North nigo bono baereire mechando bagwetera ekero bakuligyo obugwenia gwetera umurobelio sha abarai abu nigo baburirie serikali kuligereria enganeyo eligo kora emechande yo bagwetera chingaki banyare kwa bakogenda ase chinyagitali nigo bayakwaniraya ase skuru ya secondary ya St Peter's Patrick's eyo ere chinsemo chia Naitiri.
Majorly, we want to emphasize on issues SHA. We want to emphasize on issues autonomy, and we want also to talk about the leadership of Bungoma North at large, elections that were done recently, and the appointments that were made.
Pertaining SHA, we are suffering. We had one hospital, that was Jambo Clinic, that was helping us to get the facilities, but at the moment, they are not offering. So teachers in Bungoma North are supposed to travel as far as Bungoma in order to get medication. So it is our humble request to the leaders that were elected in the office, that was in January, to ensure that at least teachers, not only in the Bungoma North, but all over the county, are getting the medication services as we need.
Nenchira ya moyo gotinyo botali na echinsemo chigongorwe chikaunti chire asensemeli ya Pwani wono nigegetie kiyegi chindege gya vipingo kyanyara ko bagikoigorwa na Mwanchumulili nigo kera twale chisabali chindege echo kirabwatani vipingo no muchoyo Nairobi igetambukire kyo nigo gikuchikoba yekorobye chisabali chabatali bali baratalire chinseme chanene anene mono asensemeli ya county ya Kilifi.
Very exciting times for us. Connecting Kilifi County, collecting Vipingo to Nairobi is really important. It's going to really boost this area. Connectivity is the heart of growth, and Vipingo as an area is starting to grow. It's starting to really boom, and so our partnership with Skyward is going to allow that to develop and to connect in with Nairobi. It's very exciting, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing what's going to happen to Vipingo Ridge and the whole area as a whole.
I am happy to see that Alex and Fini would approach us, because for a long time we felt Vipingo was exclusively for a certain type of person. But them coming to Skyward, where we thrive in being a Kenyan airline, an airline for anyone, is not for a specific exclusive class. So that aspect shows us that Vipingo is also becoming that space that is for everyone, and investment is for everyone, tourism is for everyone. So we hope that this flight means that we can open up Kilifi County.
Mwanchumuligereri moelio ni gonta itekorete gintu gyogosekia sinini na bera beno mumanyetu musawa yo mugurunga Sala Okech uyororekana sama tukabwa ngokurwa muskera ila Molo Odinga asiriti asomubungo suna East Junet Mohammed alendete chinga kichogosekia kera musabitu musayo Okech Sala utiga gwaka t-shirt chirichia ODM chibwate chibicha osego chiake chaba t-shirt chia ODM nabo igo chibwate chibicha chia UDA asama tukabwa ngo igo musawo yo nigarorekanire kubwatania abasai imeyense inse serikali na ekiama kia ODM.
Halo Sala, hii mambo yako ya kutengeneza t-shirt hii ya president na ODM uache kabisa. Umesikia? Tengeneza t-shirt ya ODM peke yake. Umesikia maneno? Asante sana. Kaa chini. Ukifanya hiyo utakula kiboko mbaya sana. Gaucho iko wapi? Gaucho iko wapi?
Mwanchumulili goikirabwo na ikiro mweri wa maya chetire chitake 11 maiga ichinsa isana ibiro mu basobono woniga nindoche umusawito yo monere nagendete kuyaliganiga igurunga toldi lyakoretero murubirio oya kenda kubwati gitaseni gitu gyensoko TV na sechinsemo chiricho mtandao ntogendete kubwati na koleta aliya maya tukunyara ko batugo yabika sensemo yo mtandao nabo igo twanyara ko batugo ikaransa semesa ya maya kirichinsa 10 unyara ko banande ko kumanyigo na Daniel Omwaga aliyagendete ko kolekana kurwa chinkongo na yabane kinyorukiao na yabane siko yo murango go inchenguru kwa Innocent Onyango kenda kubwati gitaseni gitu.